Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am Taha. And you are watching Daily Forex News YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be fine. Let's start. Forex Weekly Forecast. The Forex Forecast is your psychic friend. Taps expert minds to map where currency moods are headed. Think vibe for exchange rates, hotter colors mean bullish whispers. Cooler tones hint at bearish chills. It's a heat map, not a fortune cookie, but join us to crack the market code and navigate the global financial forecast. Euro, USD Weekly Forecast, greenback gains ground, Euro glides lower, markets rethink rate cuts. Hey FX fans, the dollar's strutting its stuff this week, sending the euro below 1.09. Why the greenback grin? Two hot topics. 1. US economy beats the buzz. Strong US data's got investors doubting those early Fed rate cuts in March. Seems the American dragon ain't sleeping, keeping the dollar fiery. 2. China coughs. Markets sniffle. Tepid Chinese numbers and housing woes are making investors sneeze on risky bets. Who wants sniffles when the dollar's offering a safe haven hug? So, the euro's feeling the chill, but will it stay frosty? Tune in, we'll crack the market code and predict the next currency tango. GBP/USD, weekly forecast, pound pummeled, greenback gains ground, sterling stumbles despite inflation surprise. Hey currency fans, the dollar's on rampage. And the pound can't catch a break. Despite hotter than expected UK inflation, GBP, USD took a tumble this week. Why the sterling slump? Buckle up, it's a two-punch combo. Greenback gaining grip, the Federal Reserve's chill on early rate cuts is giving the greenback a muscle up. Strong US data is fueling the fire, making the dollar the safe haven sweetheart. So, investors are ditching risky bets and flocking to Uncle Sam's arms. Sterling sputters on soft spots, while UK inflation surprised by its heat, other parts of the British economy are feeling frosty. Slow wage growth and weak retail sales are casting a shadow, dimming hopes for early Bank of England rate hikes. So, the pound's looking less shiny compared to the gleaming greenback. Will the pound find its footing? Or will the dollar keep it down? Tune in to crack the currency code and navigate the market mayhem. US dollar, DXY, weekly forecast. The dollar's on a winning streak, 3 weeks in a row and still charging. The USD index, DXY, just smashed a new year high near 103.70, leaving other currencies in the dust. Why the greenback glory? 2 reasons. 1. Rate cut retreat. Investors are betting the Fed won't cut rates early next year, like they used to think. Strong US data's proving the American dragon ain't sleeping, making the dollar the hottest dance partner in town. 2. Global gloom. From China's economic wobbles to jitters in other markets, investors are seeking safe havens, and the dollar's the safest house on the block. So, will the dollar keep climbing, or will its reign end? Tune in, we'll dissect the market moves and predict the next currency showdown. AUD, USD weekly forecast. The AUD, USD is taking a tumble. It kept sinking this week, hitting a multi-week low of 0.7263 and barely recovering above it by Friday's close. What's got the Aussie feeling so blue? 2 main suspects. Greenback's global grip, the mighty dollar's on rampage, fueled by fading hopes of early Fed rate cuts and shaky vibes in other markets. So, investors are flocking to Uncle Sam's safe haven arms, leaving the Aussie feeling like the odd one out at the currency party. China's cough, Aussie's sneeze. China's economic woes are sending shivers down the spines of commodity-linked currencies like the Aussie. With demand for Aussie exports potentially taking a hit, the currency's feeling the chill. Can the Aussie crack the comeback code and climb back up? Or will the greenback keep it grounded? Tune in, we'll track the Aussie's journey and see if it can defy the downtrend. Bitcoin, BTC, weekly forecast. Bitcoin's got the market doing the jitterbug. It took a 4.6% nosedive on Thursday, shattering its $2,000 comfort zone and settling around $41,000. Why the sudden dip? Buckle up, it's a twofer. Greenback gobbling gains, the resurgent US dollar's flexing its muscles, making risky assets like Bitcoin wobble. Investors are flocking to safe havens as hopes for early Fed rate cuts fade, leaving crypto feeling less shiny. Volatility vanishes, uncertainty brews, as Bitcoin's short-term volatility nosedives. Some experts see it as a warning sign. With less price swings, could a bigger correction be brewing? Or is this just a blip on the bull run? So, will Bitcoin bounce back or take a plunge to $35,000? Tune in, we'll dissect the market moves, decipher the expert whispers, and predict the next chapter in Bitcoin's roller coaster ride. Gold, XOR/USD, weekly forecast. Gold gleams again. Greenback grumbles, geopolitical jitters fuel rebound. Gold bugs, the shiny stuff's back on the rise. After dipping towards $2,000 early in the week, it rebounded to reclaim the $2,040 mark. So, why the glimmering comeback? Two forces are in play. Greenback grumbles, doubts about early Fed rate cuts are dampening the mighty dollar's dominance. This is good news for gold, as a weaker greenback makes it a more attractive safe haven. Geopolitical jitters, tensions are rising in the Middle East, from clashes in the Red Sea to discord between Iran and Pakistan. This uncertainty is driving investors towards gold's traditional safe haven status. But there's a twist. Strong U.S. economic data is still a factor, limiting gold's upward momentum. So, can the yellow metal break through and shine brighter, or will the greenback regain its grip? Tune in, we'll track the gold rush and predict the next chapter in this precious metal saga. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more new updates.